What's going on YouTube? Neil back here with another video for y'all. Sorry I didn't get a video out in the beginning of the week. This should get up to do that. I got a little behind on life, let's put it that way. So basically today's a little project on my own, for my own stuff. Basically what we're gonna work on is making I just want to show spin steel. Basically just fill this in. I gotta put a piece of angle on this across steel, put that on there, that way I can put those chains to go in there, and I want to make this more of a box with a lid and all that, so just so I don't put the chains so they don't hold water, they can drain out. Don't gotta worry about if they get mud, I can just rinse them off. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, and then I'll figure out what I need to do and get that cut. Alright YouTube, I'll show you what we got done so far. We just got spin on and show you. So we got this piece of angle put on here, just stitch welded it down. The rest of this got a lip, so it's gonna sit in. So now all I'm gonna do is just take and I got that cut down widthwise. Take it and set it on top of here, and then I'll mark it out. And then once I mark it out, we'll cut that out, and it should be good to go to get it going. Alright YouTube, so we got it set in. Probably one or two cross members in here just for the, because we'd probably be alright. I'll get it welded up and then I'll see if I need them. But yeah, that's gonna work out pretty good for us. Just gonna lay in there. Just wood the outsides. I'm gonna go get my little MIG welder with the flux core so I can just run all that stuff. I don't really feel like sticking it when I got the flux core. I should have cleaned off the paint, but it'll be alright. Now I put the winch back on. So all this is for all my chains, all these stuff that's in this front box. I'm gonna keep straps in there, but all the chains and chain binders I want to keep back here. I thought about putting a lid on this, but we'll see. So anyway, that's gonna work out. But yeah, I'm just gonna go get the MIG welder and then just get it tacked in with flux core. Alright YouTube, so I got it all welded in. I know I should have got the paint off before I did it, but it'll be alright. And pretty dang sturdy. I think that's gonna do for what we need to do. But yeah, it's in. It's all set. Fit pretty tight, so I like it. But yeah, it's in there, so that's gonna work pretty well. I've thought about putting some cross members in, but I don't think I'm gonna need them. It holds pretty darn good as it is. So just to weld that, I used the little ProMig 175. It's a 220 volt welder. Just plugged it right into the air pack. But this is the wire I've been using. It's a Hobart. It's an E71T-11. Hit 11 is 11-pound spool. Still 35, nothing special, but that's not it. That's just the solid wire I had in it. But yeah, it works pretty darn good. So it works pretty good. I've been using it a little more lately. I use it on that trail to put those fenders and all that in it. Especially for sheet metal, it works pretty good. Especially when you don't gotta worry about the wind and all that. But I stick welded that in just because I like stick welding better on that stuff. Could have done either, but yeah, it's all done. Oh, one thing I wanted to show y'all is I'll probably do a separate review on these, but these two grinders. This is the Dewalt 60 volt max flex volt. This is a horse of a grinder. I mean, this is something else. That's an awesome grinder. I got this probably about a year ago now. Never really did a review on it, but as you see, it's got some use to it. And for the most part, this is the only grinder I use on this truck. I got 3 batteries on the truck, and yeah, it works. It doesn't eat through batteries. If I got a lot of grinder, I use a extension cord plug-in one, but it works pretty darn well. This is the number. I bought it with only the 1 battery, and then I bought 2 more batteries. It came with a kit, and it is a full, I think it's a 5-inch grinder or 6-inch grinder as well, or 6, 4.5 or 6. So just changed the guard. I got the other guard into it. This is the Dewalt brushless 20 volt XR. So This one is the shower neck style. So if I so you can get in, it basically makes it so you can get in places easier. Rid of this big old head. This has been a lot more handy than I thought it would be. I actually got this one for Christmas. It works with the. There is the number. But yeah, these are some awesome 2 little grinders. I keep both the trucks. Typically, I keep one way on one on the other, but battery life is great. The one benefit to this one that I like is you can put a 20 volt, and I got 2 4 amp hour or 5 amp hour. I think 4 amp hour. 20 volt batteries that I can put on this, which is nice. That one's still awesome. It works pretty darn good for what I need. So, a couple differences in this is this got a quick change chuck. Well, no tool needed really for most of the time. You don't got to flip it. This one just got the normal chuck. Well, you got to flip it and all that. One complaint about this one I have is these both got brakes in them. I don't remember if I had this problem with this one or not, but when you go to use it, when it stops, the brakes will stop it. This will come loose because it will keep spinning and loosen it. But not that big a deal. Nothing too big a deal. But now I got it worn enough to where it stays tight. But yeah, that's that. I just wanted to do a little overview of them. If y'all want to set up a video just them, let me know and we can do some cutting and all that. But I just want to throw it in this video just because that's one thing I used. But yeah, and I actually got another one of those in my 250. That's how much I like those things. But those are awesome. I gotta get 2 more batteries probably. The tools are little places, but the batteries will really get you. I think those batteries, if I get them on Amazon, the 60 volt, they are, I think it's $177 for 2. So what is that? Like $60 a piece, $70 a piece, something like that. No, I'm like $80 a piece or whatever. So I gotta order 2 more, that way I got them, and that'll probably be good for a while. But anyway, that's about all we're gonna do for the day. As you see, the sun's going down. But yeah, nothing too exciting happening over here today. Other than that, just a little project I was working on. I got another project video coming up. Hopefully start on the end of this week. It's a trail I'm building. It's a custom trail. That's why I'm building it. It's not just a normal trail. So that should be fun. I'm hoping to get a bit of video for y'all for that. Yeah, I'm just waiting. I ordered the axle. Today's Monday, and I ordered the axle Saturday. So once I kind of get a ballpark of when that's gonna get here, then I can get the material and do all that. So I gotta actually pick up the check and sign the contract tomorrow on it. So good. It should be good. But yeah, that's about it. Nothing too exciting happening other than that. Sorry for the lack of video. Well, not lack of video. I just missed 1 week. But it's my work kind of been a little crazy. They switched us over to some 6 days a week now, 10-hour days for the time being. We'll see how long that lasts. But yeah. So that's might mean a little less videos. I'm gonna try at least doing once a week. I want to try getting like 2 a week by chance, but that's only, let's start with what we can do. But yeah, if there are any videos idea y'all have, let me know. I am, maybe this weekend, if I think about it, if I remember to bring it home, I'm gonna do compare 2 welding helmets. My Viking, and at work I use a Mill Digital Elite or whatever. So if I bring that home, I'll do a review on them this weekend. That way you can kind of see the good and bad between them. So that's all. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get cleaned up, head inside for the day. Yeah, and then try to get this video uploaded for y'all. I think that's about it. But like I said, I'm gonna try to get in some good videos. I want to get you on some jobs. They seem to be good videos, and I had a couple ideas of videos, so they will come. But anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And if you made it this long, thank you. trust me, I'm guilty of skipping through videos and not always watching all of them. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching it. I know this wasn't that entertaining, but hey, I'm gonna try getting some more content. I'm gonna keep saying that, but I'm gonna try to. So anyway, and also I got a backhoe attachment over there that I gotta do something with. Don't know yet. I don't have anything to put it on, but we need to find something to put it on. That'd be an awesome build video. If anybody have any suggestions, I'm thinking of a little trencher maybe. Tracked trencher, that'd be awesome. Then it'd be a little dozel. But I gotta track one of them down. If anybody know anybody, let me know. Thank y'all for watching.